How high's the snow, Mama?
1 foot high and rising.
How high's the snow, Papa? 1 foot high and rising. Daddy was wrong, he said we'd only get 6. We woke up this morning with already a foot. It's already over all the roads and porch. 1 foot high and rising. How high's the snow, Mama?
2 feet high and rising.
How high's the snow, Papa? 2 feet high and rising. Wolf shut down the state and everyone's off today. But us self-employed folks will have bills to pay. But at least the wife and kids all got to play.
Yay!
2 feet high and rising. How high's the snow, Mama?
3 feet high and rising.
How high's the snow, Papa? 3 feet high and rising. Hey, come look through the ice on this old window. Look, the plow is stuck and it can't plow no more. Looks like we'll be blessed with a little more snow. 3 feet high and rising. Oh, it's 3 feet